How do I validate a date string format in Python? I have a Python method which accepts a date input as a string. How do I add a validation to make sure the date string being passed to the method is in the FFG format? If it's not, method should raise some sort of error.
Note that datetime.date.fromISO format obviously works only when date is in ISO format. If you need to check date in some other format, use datetime.datetime.stricttime.
The Python dateutil library is designed for this, and more. It will automatically convert this to a datetime object for you, and raise a value error if it can't. As an example, this raises a value error if the date is not formatted correctly. Dateutil is also extremely useful if you start needing to parse other formats in the future, as it can handle most known formats intelligently and allows you to modify your specification. Dateutil parsing examples. It also handles time zones if you need that. Update based on comments. Parse also accepts the keyword argument dayFirst, which controls whether the day or month is expected to come first if a date is ambiguous. This defaults to false. For example,
I think the for validate function should look like this. Executing just. Is not enough because stricttime method doesn't check that month and day of the month are zero padded decimal numbers. For example, will be executed without errors.
This raises a value error if it receives an incompatible format. If you're dealing with dates and times a lot, in the sense of datetime objects, as opposed to Unix timestamp floats, it's a good idea to look into the Python module, and for storage/db, store everything in UTC.
Видео на ТС море, а сейчас идет субсидию.